Hey there, future virtual assistants. Welcome to the Customer Service Academy, where we turn I need a job into I work from home in my pajamas. Today, we're talking about one of the hottest remote jobs out there, becoming a customer service virtual assistant in 2025. So, whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, work from a beach in Bali, or just avoid awkward office small talk, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is a customer service virtual assistant? It's someone who provides customer support services, like answering emails, handling live chats, managing social media inquiries, and solving customer problems, but does it all remotely. No office, no commute, just you, your laptop, and maybe a cat walking across your keyboard. And in 2025, this role is going to be bigger than ever. Why? Because companies are going fully remote, AI is handling the basics, and humans are needed for the human touch. That's where you come in. Why become a customer service VA in 2025? Here's why this is such a great career move. Flexibility, work from anywhere, anytime. Demand, companies are hiring more virtual assistants than ever. Growth, you can specialize, upskill, and even start your own VA business. No degree required. You don't need a fancy diploma, just skills and hustle. Sounds good, right? Let's break down how to get started. How to become a customer service VA in 2025. Step 1. Develop the right skills. In 2025, customer service VAs need to be tech-savvy, empathetic, and quick on their feet. Here's what you'll need. Communication skills. You'll be talking to customers via email, chat, and sometimes phone. Clear, friendly, and professional communication is key. Tech skills. Learn tools like Zendesk, Freshdesk, Slack, and Google Workspace. Bonus points if you know how to use AI tools like ChatGPT for drafting responses. Problem-solving skills. Customers will come to you with issues, and you'll need to think on your feet. Time management. Juggling multiple tasks? No problem. You'll need to stay organized and efficient. Step 2. Get certified. While you don't need a degree, certifications can make you stand out. In 2025, employers will love seeing credentials like customer service certification from platforms like HubSpot or LinkedIn Learning, VA training programs, check out courses on Udemy or Coursera, AI and automation tools certification, because the future is techie. Step 3. Build your online presence. Create a LinkedIn profile. Update your resume and consider building a simple website or portfolio to showcase your skills. Employers in 2025 will Google you, so make sure they like what they see. Step 4. Start applying for jobs. In 2025, there will be tons of platforms hiring remote VAs. Some of the best places to look include Upwork and Fiverr for freelance gigs, Remote.co and We Work Remotely for full-time roles. Company career pages. Many companies will have dedicated remote job boards. Pro tip, tailor your resume and cover. Letter to each job. And don't be afraid to start small. Freelance gigs can lead to bigger opportunities. Step 5. Keep learning and growing. The world of customer service is always evolving. Stay ahead by taking new courses, networking with other VAs, keeping up with industry trends. And remember, the best VAs are the ones who never stop learning. Top trends for customer service VAs in 2025. Now let's talk about the future. Here are the top trends you need to know. AI integration. AI will handle basic queries, but you'll handle the complex ones. Learn to work alongside AI tools. Personalization. Customers will expect tailored experiences. Use data to make them feel special. Right. Omnichannel support. You'll need to juggle email, chat, social media, and even video calls. Emotional intelligence. In a tech-driven world, empathy will be your superpower. So there you have it, your step-by-step guide to becoming a customer service virtual assistant in 2025. It's a career that's flexible, in demand, and full of opportunities. If you're ready to take the leap, start today. Learn the skills, get certified, and start applying. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Customer Service Academy, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Now, go out there and build the remote career of your dreams. And remember, the future is yours to create. Cheers to 2025.